Okay, so we have a problem here. This is where she sleeps, and this morning, so many feathers. Oh my goodness. So that is clearly plucking. Clearly plucking. I guess that happened this morning. I mean, she got her 12 hours of sleep, I assumed. Usually she bangs on the door when she's awake, and I got her out. Maybe she was awake earlier and started plucking. Not good. Not good. I didn't notice. She seemed normal. And then there's this. Oh God, that's terrible. That is terrible. Oh, let's have a closer look. Oh my goodness, so many feathers. Looks like it's from her underside. Oh man. What are we gonna do? Oh dear. Okay, so these are the feathers that I found at the bottom of her cage this morning. I'm assuming she did it in the morning because I have seen her do it before. Then we changed our bedtimes, and then she was getting 12 hours sleep, and I thought everything was fine. So there's at least 30 feathers there. That is definitely not normal, and that is definitely not molting. That is 100% plucking. We just got to find out what the cause is. Yeah, you want to step up? Let's take a look at the bird. It's hard to say where the feathers came from. I guess it came from maybe underneath. Where are you going? Underneath? Unless... I mean, 99% of plucking is behavioural, emotional, hormonal. However, there is a slight chance that there could be a problem. So if it's coming from underneath, maybe there's an issue under there. I'll just try and have a quick look. I mean, it looks normal to me. Everything looks normal. Whoa. Sorry. I'm sorry. And it all looks normal, doesn't it? You look fine? She seems happy. I did find lice in her cage again. And we did a couple of sprays of the cage, the bird. We cleaned everything and tried to fix that up. Yet we're finding a few more lice everywhere. I wonder if lice could be the problem. Yeah, you're a good girl. Who's a good girl? What's that noise? Someone's banging outside. Oh, it doesn't matter. Just give me kisses. It doesn't matter. Just give me kisses. Yeah. So you're a happy bird, right? Nothing's wrong. So what happened? Are you going to tell us? Are you going to tell us what happened here? No? You don't like it? Something went wrong, huh? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, we'll try and fix it. It's just that she can't tell me. When she wakes up, she bangs on the door a little bit, but maybe I slept through it and I didn't hear her. Hey? Maybe a bell that you can ring when you're awake and tell me. That will help. You know you're in trouble. You're not in trouble. You're a good girl. We'll just try and fix it, okay? Okay. I'm just trying to see where the plucking is coming from. She's got her foot tucked up in there, so might look a little strange. I thought it might be in this section here. Sorry. I won't disturb you. It looks fine, really. And they're not as bright as they are down the back, so... Oops. Sorry. Sorry. Hello. What are you doing? She's like, what are you doing? I know. I don't know. Maybe it is from back here. Okay, so, I guess we'll just buy some more toys or something that'll make us feel better, hey? Yeah, we'll go buy some new toys. See if that helps a little bit, hey? It's time to get new toys anyway. Yeah, okay. Want me to back off? Okay. We'll see if that helps, okay? You're a good girl? You're a good girl. Don't pick up my nose. Don't pick up my nose. Oh, lots of noises outside. Very busy outside. Yeah. Oh, I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Okay.